Chinese scientists developed a special glue using iodine ions. These ions migrate through the electrolyte, acting like traffic cops, directing themselves to the interface between electrode and electrolyte. They attract lithium ions, filling gaps and cracks, creating a self-healing battery that maintains tight contact without external pressure, solving the solid-solid interface problem. Electric cars today max out around 310 miles on a 100-kilogram battery pack, about 500 kilometers. Solid-state batteries replace flammable liquid electrolytes with solid ones, promising no fires, double energy density, and 10-minute charging. The challenge? The interface. Hard, brittle sulfide-based electrolytes meet soft lithium metal anodes, causing gaps and poor conductivity. This issue has stalled mass production until now. Researchers at the Institute of Metal Research developed a polymer-based skeleton for batteries, making them flexible like reinforced plastic wrap. This design allows the battery to be bent 20,000 times without breaking. The polymer includes chemical modules that enhance lithium-ion movement, boosting energy storage capacity by 86%. This innovation is crucial for durable applications in vehicles and foldable devices.
Professor Zhang Qiang's team at Tsinghua University developed a fluorinated polyether shield for batteries. This chemical layer prevents breakdown under high voltage, ensuring stability even when punctured or heated to 120 degrees Celsius. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries prone to thermal runaway, these solid-state batteries are non-combustible, achieving twice the energy density of current electric vehicle batteries.
In August 2025, SAIC-MG launched the MG4, the first mass-produced semi-solid-state electric vehicle priced under $15,000. Mercedes-Benz tested a solid-state battery in an EQS, achieving over 830 miles on a single charge. Toyota plans mass production of solid-state electric vehicles by 2027-2028. Chinese giants Contemporary Amperex Technology, Korea Limited, and Build Your Dreams aim for 2029-2030 mass production. Solid-state batteries redefine travel. Drive from London to Edinburgh and back without charging, or make a round trip from Los Angeles to San Francisco. They charge to 80% in 10-15 minutes, not hours. Safety is enhanced with non-flammable solid electrolytes, reducing fire risks. Plus, they last longer, needing fewer replacements, lowering ownership costs. Solid-state batteries are revolutionizing the automotive industry. By 2030, electric vehicles will offer 1,000-kilometer ranges, 10-minute charges, and cost just $50 weekly in electricity. Safer, quieter, and longer-lasting, these batteries are not science fiction, but an engineering reality. China's breakthroughs in self-healing, flexible, fireproof batteries are leading this transformation. Range anxiety didn't die in a lab. It died in China with iodine ions, polymer skeletons, and fluorine shields, and the world just changed. If this blew your mind, hit that subscribe button because we're tracking every move in the solid-state battery race. Toyota versus Tesla, Mercedes versus BYD, and China's trillion-dollar bet to own the future of transportation. Self-healing batteries promise 2,400 cycles, doubling current capabilities. With 20,000 bends, they are virtually indestructible. Energy density reaches 604 watt-hours per kilogram, twice today's batteries. The MG4, priced at $15,000, leads the market. Contemporary Amperex Technology Co. Limited and Build Your Dreams dominate with 55% global share. By 2027-2028, commercial launches will eliminate range anxiety with 1,000 kilometers capabilities.
Solid-state batteries promise a 1,000-kilometer range, doubling current standards. The interface problem, a major hurdle, involves mismatched materials, hard, brittle sulfide electrolytes, and soft lithium anodes. This creates microscopic gaps, hindering mass production. Recent breakthroughs in China address these issues, potentially revolutionizing electric vehicles and eliminating range anxiety.
Chinese scientists have revolutionized solid-state battery technology, solving the interface problem that hindered mass production. By achieving a 1,000-kilometer range with a 100-kilogram battery pack, they have doubled the current standard. This breakthrough could eliminate range anxiety and signal the end of the gasoline era, accelerating the transition to commercial reality within years. The Institute of Physics developed a self-healing mechanism using iodine ions as dynamic mediators. These ions migrate through the electrolyte, attracting lithium ions to fill gaps at the interface, ensuring continuous contact without external pressure. This innovation allows batteries to retain 90.7% capacity after 2,400 cycles, significantly extending battery life and energy density. The Institute of Metal Research developed a polymer-based skeleton for electrolytes, transforming them into flexible, durable materials. This innovation withstands 20,000 bending cycles, maintaining performance under stress. Embedded chemical modules enhance ion movement and storage, boosting energy capacity by 86%. This leap in battery design opens possibilities for foldable electronics, wearables, and aerospace applications. Tsinghua University's team, led by Professor Zhang Qiang, developed fluorinated polyether materials, forming a protective shield around the electrolyte. This fluorine fortress resists high voltage, preventing breakdown under electrical stress. Safety tests, including nail penetration, showed no failure, highlighting the material's robustness under extreme conditions, crucial for rapid charging and extended range driving. The fluorine-shielded solid-state batteries exhibit remarkable safety and energy density. They remain stable under extreme conditions, eliminating thermal runaway risks. Achieving 604 watt-hours per kilogram, these batteries double the energy density of current electric vehicle batteries, enabling vehicles to travel twice as far or reduce battery size for improved efficiency. This innovation is driving fierce competition in the race to market. Mercedes-Benz's solid-state battery enabled a 1,205-kilometer journey from Stuttgart to Malmö without recharging, showcasing 25% more usable energy than lithium-ion counterparts. Chief Technology Officer Marcus Schaefer calls it a game changer. Meanwhile, Toyota and Sumitomo plan to mass-produce cathode materials for solid-state batteries, targeting a 2027-2028 launch with 1,000-kilometer range and rapid charging capabilities.
China's CATL and BYD, holding 55.3% of the global electric vehicle battery market, are pivotal in advancing solid-state technology. Their production capacity and supply chains can rapidly scale and reduce costs. Solid-state batteries offering 1,000 kilometers of range enable trips like London to Edinburgh and back without charging, revolutionizing long-distance travel.
Solid-state batteries enable unprecedented range, allowing trips like Los Angeles to San Francisco and back on a single charge. They charge faster, reaching 80% in 10 to 15 minutes, and offer enhanced safety with non-flammable electrolytes. Their longevity surpasses lithium-ion, potentially lasting over 20 years, addressing key concerns in electric vehicle adoption.
Solid-state batteries promise remarkable advancements in electric vehicle range and safety, yet manufacturing challenges persist. The production of solid electrolytes requires new processes and equipment, distinct from current lithium-ion systems. This complexity results in higher costs, with solid-state batteries priced at $400–600 per kilowatt-hour, compared to $130–180 for lithium-ion, impacting initial market penetration.
Early solid-state vehicles will initially target luxury segments due to high costs, but historical trends suggest prices will drop significantly. By 2030, costs could fall to $150–200 per kilowatt-hour, potentially reaching $100 per kilowatt-hour. Major automakers like Toyota, CATL, and BYD are investing billions, signaling solid-state batteries as the future of automotive technology.
Solid-state batteries are set to revolutionize the automotive industry by 2030, rendering gasoline stations obsolete. With advancements like self-healing iodine ion interfaces, flexible polymer skeletons, and fluorine protective shields, These batteries offer unmatched range, safety, and cost-effectiveness. The transition to mass production is imminent, marking a pivotal shift in transportation and energy sectors.
Electric vehicle charging stations are becoming the norm as solid-state batteries outperform gasoline engines. These batteries charge faster, offer longer range, and are more cost-effective. By 2030, this engineering reality will redefine transportation, eliminating safety concerns, and making electric vehicles the preferred choice over traditional gasoline cars. Mercedes EQS, equipped with a solid-state battery, achieved a remarkable 750-mile journey on a single charge. This advancement highlights the potential of solid-state technology to surpass traditional lithium-ion batteries in range and efficiency. As automakers like Mercedes and Toyota push forward, the future of electric vehicles is set to be revolutionized by these next-generation batteries. The global electric vehicle battery market is dominated by contemporary Amperex Technology Co., Limited and Build Your Dreams, holding 55% of the market share. In the first half of 2025, global electric vehicle battery installations surged by 37%. Despite advancements, mass production of solid-state batteries remains years away, with costs still a significant barrier. The average electric vehicle range in the United Kingdom is now 300 miles, with charging required every 2 weeks.
Solid-state batteries offer higher energy density and safety compared to lithium-ion batteries, but face production challenges. These include material compatibility and manufacturing scalability. Despite these hurdles, advancements in solid-state technology promise longer electric vehicle ranges and faster charging times, potentially revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry.
SEO-Rich's MG4, featuring a semi-solid-state battery, marks a significant advancement in electric vehicle technology. This innovation offers enhanced energy density and safety, bridging the gap between traditional lithium-ion and fully solid-state batteries. The MG4's launch highlights the potential for semi-solid-state technology to improve range and performance, setting a new standard in the electric vehicle market.
Solid-state batteries are revolutionizing electric vehicles with enhanced energy density and safety. SK targets 2029 for commercialization, promising longer ranges and faster charging. Mercedes's prototype achieved a 750-mile range, showcasing potential breakthroughs. These advancements could redefine electric vehicle performance, making them more viable for widespread adoption.